The genesis of North Korea's missile program can be traced back to the late 1970s, when it first began experimenting with Scud missiles obtained from Egypt. Fast forward to the early 1980s, and the rogue nation had begun producing its own version, known as the Hwasong-5. The first successful test of this missile took place in 1984, marking the beginning of a long and concerning trajectory. In the 1990s, North Korea undertook a series of missile tests, the most significant of which was the launch of the Taepodong-1 in 1998. This missile flew over Japan, causing widespread alarm and marking a new phase in North Korea's missile development. The new millennium saw North Korea ramping up its missile tests, despite international sanctions and widespread condemnation. The latter half of the first decade of the 2000s witnessed the launch of the Taepodong-2, a missile with a potential range that could reach the United States. However, it was the 2010s that marked a significant acceleration in North Korea's missile program. Under the leadership of Kim Jong-un, the nation conducted numerous missile tests, including the successful launch of the Hwasong-14 and Hwasong-15 intercontinental ballistic missiles. In the recent years, North Korea's missile program has taken an even more alarming turn. The Kim regime conducted 7 ballistic missile tests in a span of a month in late 2022. These tests were framed as part of simulated procedures to showcase readiness to fire tactical nuclear warheads at South Korean targets, contributing to heightened tensions in the region. Fast forward to March 2023, North Korea conducted its largest intercontinental ballistic missile test amid joint military drills between the US and South Korea. This missile test reached over 3,700 miles in altitude and flew over 620 miles, lasting over 69 minutes. The implications of North Korea's missile program are far-reaching. The potential for a nuclear-armed North Korea poses a direct threat to its immediate neighbors and raises the stakes for the international community. The Kim regime's persistent pursuit of ballistic missile technology, despite international sanctions, signals its intent to become a significant nuclear power. In conclusion, North Korea's missile program has evolved significantly since its inception in the late 1970s. From experimenting with Scud missiles to launching intercontinental ballistic missiles capable of reaching the United States, the rogue nation has made significant strides in its missile technology. The recent tests indicate a readiness to use these weapons, contributing to heightened regional tensions. The international community remains on high alert as North Korea continues to push the boundaries of its missile capabilities. The future of global security hangs in the balance, underscoring the need for effective diplomacy and strategic planning.